quite a big flower, so. I look about the size of Santa. Hello! Ho, ho, ho. It's Christmas! So we are going to make some festive rough puff Christmas trees. These are great to make with kids. All you need is a portion of rough puff. See my other video on how to make rough puff pastry. You need some little star cutters, so you need 3 sizes, ranging from sort of big, medium and small. You need some sprinkles to go on the top, and I've got some of these lustre dusts from PME, which are my fave. So I've got a green lustre dust and a gold. Again, you don't have to have the lustre dust, you can just build the tree as it is and put the sprinkles on, it's not essential. We're going to roll out the puff pastry. So floured surface. So this is about 325 grams of pre-made rough puff. If you're feeling lazy and you don't want to make it, you can just buy puff pastry from the supermarket. So we're going to roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch thick. So it's quite thin, you don't want it too thick, otherwise your stars will be too puffy. There's the rough puff rolled out. I'd love to say in a perfect rectangle, but it's not. Then you need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You're going to do 6 of your biggest star. Pop it on. 6 of the medium. And then 12 of the smallest. Now we are going to I've got 1 egg in here, beaten. We're just going to brush the tops of the stars with a bit of egg wash. And then we're going to pop them into the oven, 180 fan, 200 non-fan, and for about 10 minutes until they're risen and golden brown. Here are the stars. They've come out of the oven, and as you can see, they're a lovely golden brown, and they've risen, they've puffed up nicely. So now we are going to take 200 ml of double cream. We're going to whip it up till it's stiff, and then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon, depending on your taste, to give it a bit of Christmassy flavour. So here's a piping bag with a small star nozzle. It's a 30. Don't ask me what that means, I don't really know. But in order to help you fill it up, I always use a cup if I haven't got someone here to hold it for me. So just pop it in like that, just makes it a lot easier. And then we're going to pop the whipped cream into the piping bag. And this is basically going to be the glue that holds the trees together. So take the little 6 large puffs. You're going to do just a tiny little squidge of cream in the middle. You're going to take the medium-sized stars and pop them on top. This is really straightforward to do with kids. And it's quick. Wait a minute. Is that a medium star? Yeah, easy medium. I thought it was a small one for a second. Okay. You can do the same for all your little stars. You only need a tiny bit of cream. And you're going to pop a little star on top. So you could, you know, puff pastry can be sweet or savoury. So if you wanted to, you could do this as a savoury option and not use the cream. You could make it with cheese. Little cheese puffs. Right, so now you should have 6 stars left. So you can see they're kind of like little Christmas trees. we are going to spray our little trees green. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just leave them plain if you want to. But I quite like them. They look quite cute. So this is the green edible lustre spray. So just give it a spray, not too close. Just give it a little spritz. So you just want like a little green sheen on it really, so it actually looks a bit like a tree. And then what we're going to do for the remaining stars is we're going to spray them gold with the gold lustre spray. So we've got some gold stars. So we're going to put them on top. Again, just a tiny bit of cream. So you can add on the little sprinkles. I've got some snowdrops here, you can add a bit of snow. Do what you want really. And then, once you've finished, you will have a little rough puff Christmas tree. Yeah, right, there we go. So we have our Christmas trees. Like I said, you can decorate them. You don't have to if you don't want to. Spray them, whatever you want to do. But you should, in the end, have a little rough puff Christmas tree. So Merry Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe and like down below. The recipe will be in the description below as well. Merry Christmas and have a good New Year.